What's the meaning of central government? Central government. Central government.
Central government. Central government. The term central government refers to the political entity that holds authority over a geographic region or country. It is the highest level of government responsible for making policy decisions and enforcing laws. The central government typically has control over issues that affect the entire country, such as defense, foreign relations, and economic policies. This type of government structure is common in countries with a federal system where power is divided between central and regional governments. Overall, the central government plays a crucial role in maintaining order and stability within a nation.